Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite trader, Investor X, aka the Dan of crypto. So guys, on this very interesting video today, I'm going to be explaining in details the current condition of the crypto market. Many of us are in panic right now about what the crypto market is doing and where it is headed. But then here is the right video for you. I'm going to be breaking it down in simple terms for everyone to be able to understand what the crypto market is doing at the moment. I have called the predictions in the past, I've called the temporary bottom in the past, and we are right about it. Here you can see my testimonials of everybody telling me that they are grateful for listening to my predictions. And it's not like as if I'm trying to brag or something, but then this is what I've been doing for quite a while. Without further ado, I urge everyone to stay to the very end of this interesting video so you don't miss on this next prediction about Bitcoin. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. But then before I hop on that, if you're new to my channel, I'm going to be reintroducing myself because of you. My name is Investor X, the founder of Crypto FSP's Academy. The fast rising academy in Nigeria right now is going to be in Africa and the world at large. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right now and don't forget to turn notifications on so you don't miss an interesting upload. And also share this video to your friends and family who might want to need the knowledge. Now let's hop on my screen guys and let me share with you guys this very interesting analysis that you need to see about the crypto market. Let's go. Welcome my beautiful family to my chat screen. So this is where I'll be analyzing everything that is happening currently in the crypto market. Alright, so I'll be starting from the very point of the bearish market down to the current point that we are right now at $69,000 in 2021, November 2021. Market fell off $69,000 and had a bit of minor support at $33,000 right here. Because if you watch on the left hand side, you have some bit of minor support right here, but which also affected this point here that the market had to do some form of retracement. On this retracement at $33,000 to the upside, market created a pattern which is called the bearish flag. The bearish flag looks like this. Whenever we see this chart pattern on the chart, it signifies that the bears are in the market and the market might want to reverse to the downside with a very huge drop. Alright, so you have to like stay away from the market or you want to trade that bearish drop. So this is actually the pattern that the market created when it came down to $33,000 to get that form of retracement to the upside. Maybe I call it market breathing. Alright, so this bearish movement to the downside from this point here, market decided to like stop at this point here, breathe a little bit, then continue with this movement to the downside. So I actually predicted that the market was going to go to $10.5k for BTC USDT, but then market found some form of support at $15,000. We know that the market is supreme. Anything can happen in the market. No one is 100% accurate about the market. All what we do is based on probabilities, high probabilities rather. Understand? So now when the market got to $15,000, it started consolidating at that point. So I called it here on my YouTube channel that we are having a temporary bottom and market might want to reverse from this point to the upside. You can scroll down on my YouTube channel to see where I called it sometime last year too, that the market was going to have a temporary bottom at that point, that we should get in and make sure that we buy into the market so that we can make some profits. So the market moved from $15,000 right here up until $25,000 and started retracing again. All right, now when it started retracing, I called it again that we are going to have a bullish movement on the chart, because so the market created an inverse head and shoulders pattern on the weekly time frame. And when I saw that, I quickly also called to my community members that they should get into the market, that I am seeing a bullish reversal to the upside from the current point of the market, which was at $20,000 then. Now, let me also share it from my Telegram group so you can see that I actually made that call to them to be able to get in. So this was my explanation to them right then. We had that bullish reversal up to $30,000, and I also gave a call that if you have any coins that you are holding right now, you should exit the crypto market, because you're going to have some form of a bloodbath too. From 30k, you're going to have a bit retracement to $25,000 before we can see any other bullish retracement again. And when we retrace to $25,000, I also call it again that they should buy into the market, that we're going to see a bullish reversal again up onto $31,000. You can see it right here too on my chart. I put it on my Twitter page too, and also on my Instagram page for everyone to be able to buy in, and also my Telegram channel. So if you're not in my Telegram channel, there's a link in the description that can do there. Yeah, I give out free predictions, free signals, both on crypto and on forex. All right, so back to what we are saying. Now the market reversed to this upside, hit this particular resistance here again at $31,000 and started retracing again. So this is where the problem actually is in the current crypto market right now, this point here, because this second retracement wasn't expected to happen. All right, so that is why a lot of people are panicking that we're coming down to this trend line again. That's we have a form of uptrend here and the market has been obeying right from $15,000. Coming back to this trend line again, that is why a lot of people are panicking. What if we break below this trend line? What is our fate about BTC? So I'm going to be breaking it down today for everyone to be able to understand. So if you pay close attention to this analysis that I'm going to do right now. At the current point of the market, we can see very clearly that we have a bearish movement at the market. You can see that. Let me go down to the 4-hour chart to show you guys something. On the 4-hour chart, when we had this form of ranging market right here, market was just creating this high here, low here, high here, low here on the horizontal level. The market was just ranging. What I had to do was just mark out these two resistance and support zones to know where the breakout is going to happen from, whether it's going to happen to the upside or to the downside. If it happens to the upside, we might see the market move up to $34,000. Then if it happens to the downside, we might see the market come down to $26,000 or as well $25,000. So I had the analysis already before this breakout happened to the downside. So now we unfortunately had the breakout to the downside instead of the upside, and that is why we have a lot of persons panicking about the crypto market, because we are back to the trend line of which has been holding since December 2022. So now on that trend line, if it happens to break to the downside, that is where we are going to have a lot of problems in the crypto market, because breaking out to the downside is going to give us a huge downside movement up until $19,000. That should be our first lookout, $19,000, of which if it does not hold, we are going to be seeing ourselves back to $15,000 again, and that will be a very big bloodbath in the crypto market for almost everyone, because no one really expected this second bearish movement to the downside again. All right, but then you don't have to panic. Let's go down to the higher time frames, because you know that the higher time frame supersedes the lower time frame. So whatever analysis and information I'm going to give out today is going to be based off the higher time frame. So I'm not going to really be focused on the noisy chart, which is this lower time frame. So I'm even considering this daily chart as a lower time frame for me, because what I do on BTC is more of position trading. I don't really do the trading on BTC, and also I don't do swing trading on BTC. What I do on BTC is mostly position trading, because I give a long-term prediction and I take my eyes off the market. Whatever noise the market is making on a daily basis, that's none of my concern. Once I look at the monthly time frame and the other months ahead of the 1 month time frame, I know what the market is going to look like. So I just stay off the market and just wait, be patient. All right, market is all about 80% patience and 20% execution. Okay, so now going to the weekly time frame, let's see what the market is doing at the weekly time frame. Today, as at the time of doing this video, it's 28th August 2023. That's the time I'm making this video. All right, now we have this weekly candle with a very long bearish momentum drop here. You can see that right there. From here to this point, we have a long bearish drop with this candle here. Now, but the candle also closed with a wick above this our uptrend here. We did not close below the trend line. That's a safe one for us. The next candle that printed again closed above that trend line again. That's a safe one for us. If you watch closely again, you can see that we broke out from this smaller consolidation period here, this ranging market here, to a bigger one, because right here we have a form of support here again at $25,000. We have a form of support here again at $25,000. Let me take this one off. If you can see that clearly, we have a form of support here again at $25,000. So until we break below this particular support zone here, this zone you are seeing, until you break below this particular support zone here, we are still very much safe. when it comes to the crypto market on BTC. Market can decide to come test this zone right here and close back up as a hammer candlestick above that trend line, just like it did here. So we cannot actually tell right now if we are bearish or not, because the market is still very much bullish above that trend line. So until we break below that trend line, we are very much bullish on the crypto market. We still have about 3 days to go for the month of August. So until this monthly time frame closes for August, we cannot declare the market bearish yet, because the market might decide to like give us a week up and close above that trend line again. If you go to the 3 months chart on BTC USD, go to the 3 month chart on BTC USD, this looks like a form of retracement to the upside. Maybe give us a Fibonacci retracement to 618 level or 0.5 level or even 786 level. Because if you watch from here, you can see that we have a bullish engulfing candlestick. This is the baby candle here. So the bullish engulfing candlestick has not even played out perfectly yet. This 3 month chart is a very healthy one. It's a very, very healthy one. Here we have a bullish engulfing candlestick. Here we have a hammer forming here. So I am expecting that if this particular zone, this support zone here should hold, that we should see the market reverse to the upside again from this very point it is to this point here, to this zone right here, about $37,000. That's what I'm expecting the market to do in the crypto market. From the 3 months chart analysis, we are healthy on the chart. But then if that zone should break, coming back to the weekly time frame, if this zone should break, we should see the market come down to first local zone should be at $19,000, of which if it does not hold, we should see the market come down back to $15,000 before we can see any other movement to the upside from that point. Alright, so until that happens, we don't need to panic about anything when it comes to BTC USD. Yes, BTC is the king of the crypto market. Whatever it does is going to affect every other coin in the market. We are right about that. But then what the crypto market is facing is mostly about crypto sanctions, fundamentals, about the SEC chairman and all that. So that is what is really affecting the crypto market right now. The adoption of crypto market is really getting hard these days, but even after everything, it still comes out was strong. That's the same thing that happened at this point here, of which the market closed as a hammer and gave us this long bullish move of which no one expected, but we are able to catch that move in our community. We have the first touch at this point right here, the second touch, which is the one that is happening currently at the market, of which it might decide to reverse from there and go back up again. Then whatever happens and the market decides to come down to this spot again, that is when it's going to break to the downside. All right, because this is like first, second, and the fourth touch. That's when it's going to break to the downside. But if here does not hold, they're going to have movement up to $37,000. You heard it here first in my YouTube channel. All right, so we don't have to panic about anything. We are still very much healthy on the chart, judging from the 3 months chart. Remember, I said I am judging from the higher time frame. Why? Because the higher time frame supersedes the lower time frame. You can also check on the 6 month chart to see what's happening in the 6 month chart too. You can see the 6 month chart too. We have a bullish engulfing candlestick, which is very much bullish. So I'm expecting that this next bearish candle that followed after this bullish engulfing is just more like a retracement to the downside, of which it is at that consolidation zone. I'll show you guys from the weekly time frame. That's what I'm giving out for BTC USD, and I'm urging everyone to just take calm with the market. Don't try to panic. Don't try to panic. Remember, when everyone is afraid to buy, that's when you should be buying. And when everyone is afraid to sell, that's when you should be selling. From the 6 months and from the 3 months chart, we are healthy with the chart. We are healthy with the chart. All right, so don't panic about any. From the 6 months chart showing here, I'm seeing it as a retracement back to that consolidation zone I showed you guys on the weekly time frame. That's why I had this write up out here saying September 2023 is a critical month in the crypto market, and it decides whether we go into a bear market or it was just a little pullback and the bull market continues until $38,000. All right, so we heard it here first. So with that being said, on the weekly time frame, I'm just expecting this support zone right here to hold and send price back up to this level right here at $32,000. If it breaks, good for us. We'll see price at 37,000. It's all a circle, the bear market circle and the bull market circle. So we are the bear market circle at the moment, but right now the market is not really bearish. We are bullish with the little movement we are seeing. That's what I'm saying. But the overall market trend is a bear market. All right, then let me not omit this too. If you can see here, let me zoom out this so you can see clearly. Let's say this is a downtrend now, right? And then we are making a form of retracement to the upside. Let me clone this particular trend line that I connected from the bottom and take it up above this recent high right here. Now you can see that the market is actually trying to come up to this trend line about $37,000 a week right there, shooting star right there. I'm expecting the market to come test for any proper movement to the downside. So I'm expecting the market to come test at $7,000 first before we break to the downside. So let's see if this particular zone is going to hold for us or is going to break. So you don't have to panic about anything. Let the monthly candle on August close. September is a critical month for us in the crypto market. So until that happens, guys, stay calm, don't panic. Then that will be the end of this very interesting video. I hope you learned a thing or two in this video. I will see you guys on my other screen. So guys, that's the video right there, and I hope you learned something while watching that video. So with what you've seen, I am expecting you to understand that the market is not in a bearish movement right now. Yes, we are in an overall bearish market, but we have a bullish trend inside the overall bearish trend. We have what we call counter trends. All right, so now we are on the counter trend in the crypto market, of which is bullish at the moment. So what is happening right now is a form of retracement to that consolidation zone, of which I'm expecting the market to reverse back from that point to about $37,000 before any bearish movement is going to occur in the market. But then the market is supreme. I've given my own predictions about Bitcoin, USDT, and I hope that you understood very much what I explained. With that being said, guys, if you like this kind of videos and you want me to bring out this kind of content from time to time, guys, all you have to do is encourage me by liking this video as you have watched it right now, and dropping your comments in the comment box about what you think on my prediction about the crypto market. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can get my channel to 1,000 subscribers, and putting your notifications on so you don't miss an interesting upload whenever it's being made here on YouTube. And as well, if you want to be a part of our Telegram community, kindly check the link in the description. That is going to lead you to our Telegram community, where we'll give out free signals and free predictions to our community members. I hope this video helps in any way about the crypto market. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Peace.